Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect speakers to your PS3 for optimal sound. The most direct and high-quality method for dedicated speaker systems is using the optical digital audio output. This port provides excellent digital sound for your gaming and media experience. We will cover the necessary cables and settings to get your audio working perfectly. You will be enjoying rich, immersive sound in no time, enhancing every moment of your entertainment. To begin, locate the optical digital out port on the back of your PS3 console. This small, square-shaped port is specifically designed for digital audio signals. Next, take one end of a Toslink optical cable and firmly connect it to this port. Then, connect the other end of the optical cable to the corresponding optical input on your speaker system or audio receiver. It is crucial to ensure both connections are secure for a stable and uninterrupted audio signal. Now, let's configure your PS3 audio settings. From the XMB menu, navigate to Settings, then select Sound Settings. Proceed to Audio Output Settings and choose Optical Digital as your input connector. You will then be prompted to select the audio formats your speakers support. Be sure to select options such as Dolby Digital 5.1 channel and DTS 5.1 channel for surround sound, and Linear PCM2 channel for standard stereo. Confirm your selections to save these new settings. If your speaker system does not have an optical input, an alternative is using the AV multi-out port with an RCA stereo audio cable for 2-channel analog sound. If you encounter no sound, first ensure your speaker system is powered on and set to the correct input source. Additionally, check the PS3 audio multi-output setting under Sound Settings to enable simultaneous audio from multiple ports, if desired. A quick system restart can also often resolve minor audio glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.